Every day we are seeing interesting information in the background verification. If you submitted your documents, even if they identify single error, straightforward they will reject your profile. Okay, whether it is big MNCs or small MNCs doesn't matter. And now bad news is background verification vendors initiating OTP verifications. Once you submitted your documents, if you don't submit your documents also, they will send some link or they will initiate some OTP. If you approve that OTP in your mobile, they can able to track your past service history in the UAN number, and also they can able to track your income tax portal information, especially Form 26AS. I already talked about Form 26AS. Wherever if you work, if you pay income tax from your organization, they can track your past organization easily. Don't think people will be tracked your past service history based on your UA number. Based on income tax portal also they can able to track your past service history. Meaning, assume that you are working in two companies, company A and company B. You are showing company A, not showing company B. Company A deducted PF account, company B not deducted PF account. People are thinking about that in company B, PF is not deducted. New employer or MNCs cannot deduct the B company information. There is an alternative way, Form 26AS, based on which they can able to track your past service history, because income tax received from company B as well, whether it is professional tax or income tax. Okay. This OTP methodology is implemented in all big MNCs. Clear on your records. Don't sit with your problems. For dual employment, if you don't have any choice, you can approach to me and I will give you the alternative suggestions. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye bye.